exercise 7.3. So let's begin. So let us start with the first topic of today. What are equivalent fractions? Fractions that may have different numerators and denominators, but they represent the same value. They are called equivalent fraction. Example, 9 upon 12 and 6 upon 8 are equivalent fractions because both are equal to 3 upon 4. 9 upon 12 reduced into lowest term. It will be 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Then we have 6 upon 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So they both are equivalent fraction because they are equal to 3 upon 4. Next question is, find 5 equivalent fractions of 2 upon 3. Students, whenever you have to find out the equivalent fractions, 4 equivalent fraction, 5 equivalent fraction, you will simply multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Like here we multiplied by 2 in numerator and denominator. We got 4 upon 6. Similarly multiplied by 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 5 equivalent fractions of 2 upon 3. So now let us start with exercise 7.3. So for a maths NCERT book page number 146. Question number 1. Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? In your books you can see these figures. We have to write down the fractions and tell whether these fractions are equivalent or not. So let us see the first figure. Total there are 2 parts. One part is shaded, so the fraction is 1 upon 2. Second figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 parts are there. 2 parts are shaded, so the fraction is 2 upon 4. So now we have to reduce into lowest term. So it will be 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Third figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 3 upon 6. Reduce into lowest term. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Third figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 4 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 1 upon 2. So students, we have reduced these fractions into lowest term and they all are equal 1 upon 2. So yes, it is an equivalent fraction. B part, first figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 12. 4 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 4 upon 12. Reduce into lowest term. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Second figure 3, 6, 9. And 3 parts are shaded. So fraction is 3 upon 9. Reduce into lowest term. 1 upon 3. Third figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, 2 parts are shaded. Fraction is 2 upon 6. Reduce into lowest term. It is 1 upon 3. Fourth figure 1, 2, 3. So the fraction is 1 upon 3. And the last figure 5, 10, 15 and 6 parts are shaded. Fraction is 6 upon 15. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Fraction is coming 2 upon 5. So students, here all the fractions are reduced into lowest term. But this fraction is not equal. So it is not an equivalent fraction. So now let us solve question number 2 through 3. Question number 2. Write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. A part. So students, here we have 2 parts and 1 part is shaded. So the fraction is 1 upon 2. B part. Total parts are 6 and 4 parts are shaded. The fraction is 4 upon 6. Reduce into lowest term. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. C part. Total are 9 parts and 3 parts are shaded. Reduce into lowest term. It is 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 upon 3. D part. Total are 8 parts. 2 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 2 upon 8. Reduce into lowest term. 1 upon 4. E part. Total there are 4 parts. 3 parts are shaded. The fraction is 3 upon 4. Now first part. Total how many parts are there? 18. Out of 18, 6 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 6 upon 18. Reduce into lowest term, it is 1 upon 3. Second part, total there are 8 parts and 4 parts are shaded. The fraction is 1 upon 2. Third part, total there are 16 parts. 12 parts are shaded. So reduce into lowest term, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Fraction is 3 upon 4. Fourth part, total there are 12 parts. 8 parts are shaded. The fraction is 8 upon 12. Reduce into lowest term, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Fraction is 2 upon 3. Fifth part, total there are 16 parts and 4 parts are shaded. The fraction is 4 upon 16. Reduce into lowest term, it is 1 upon 4. So now we have to make the pairs of fractions. So students, A and second part are same, they are equivalent fractions, that is 1 upon 2. B and fourth part are equivalent, that is 2 upon 3. C and first part are equivalent fractions, that is 1 upon 3. D and 5 part are equivalent fractions, that is 1 upon 4. E and third part are equivalent fractions, that is 3 upon 4. Question number 3. Replace this box in each of the following by the correct number. A bar 2 upon 7 is equal to 8 upon box. So students, in this box we have to fill one correct number. So these are equivalent fractions. It means that you multiply or divide by the same number in numerator as well as denominator. So numerator we have 8 and here we have 2. So we know that 2 into 4, that is 8. So multiply denominator also by 4. 7 4s are 28. So the fraction is 8 upon 28. B bar 5 upon 8 is equal to 10 and here we have the plan. So let us multiply 5 2s are, multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16. The fraction is 10 upon 16. C bar 3 upon 5 is equal to, here we have to write down the number in the numerator, upon 20. See the denominator, 5 into 4, 20. 3 into 4, that is 12. Fraction is 12 upon 20. D bar 45 upon 60 is equal to 15 upon dash. So students, here if you see, we will divide. आप 45 में क्या divide करेंगे कि 15 आए, or we can do the reverse. 15 3s are 45. So if you divide 45 by 3, we get 15. So you are dividing 45 by 3. You will also divide 60 by 3. So we get 20. Fraction is 15 upon 20. Last part, 18 upon 24 is equal to dash upon 4. Again we will divide 4. 6 are 24. So it means you are dividing 24 by 6. You will also divide 18 by 6. 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. Fraction is 3 upon 4. Question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having A bar denominator 20. So this question is similar to question number 3 which we have done. So here the equivalent fraction we have to find out of the fraction 3 upon 5 and it has the denominator 20. So let us write here the fraction, that is 3 upon 5 and denominator is given 20. So how does 20 came? If we multiply 5 by 4, 5 4s are 20, multiply numerator also by 4, 3 4s are 12. So the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20 is 12 upon 20. B bar numerator 9. So let us write here fraction 3 upon 5 is equal to numerator is 9. So 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Multiply denominator also by 3. 5 3s are 15. The fraction is 9 upon 15. C bar denominator 30. So the fraction is 3 upon 5 and the denominator is 30. So number you will multiply multiply here into 6. So 3 into 6, that is 18. Fraction is 18 upon 30. B bar, numerator 27. So write down the fraction 3 upon 5 and numerator is 27. So 3 9s are 27, multiply denominator also by 9. 5 9s are 45. The fraction is 27 upon 45. Question number 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48 with A bar, numerator 9. So this question is similar to the question which we have done. Fraction is given 36 upon 48. So write here 36 upon 48 and the numerator is 9. Either we can do like this. 9 में आप क्या multiply करेंगे 36 side? 9 into 4, 36. So we can divide 36 by 4 and divide 48 by 4. 36 divided by 4, it is 9. So 48 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Fraction is 9 upon 12. B bar, denominator 4. The fraction is 36 upon 48 and denominator is 4. आप 4 में क्या multiply करेंगे 48 आए? 4 12s are 48. So you will divide denominator by 12 and numerator also by 12. 12 3s are 36 and 12 4s are 48. Fraction is 3 upon 4. Question number 6. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. So here two fractions are given. We have to tell whether these fractions are equivalent or not. A bar 5 upon 9, 30 upon 54. So the first fraction is 5 upon 9. It is already reduced into lowest term. It will be 5 upon 9. Next fraction is 30 upon 54. So reduce 30 upon 54 into lowest term. We know the tables. It will divide by 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 9s are 54. So 5 upon 9, 5 upon 9 both are equal. So answer is yes. These fractions are equivalent. B bar 3 upon 10, 12 upon 50. So 3 upon 10, it is already reduced into lowest term. It will be 3 upon 10. Next we have 12 upon 50. Reduce into lowest term. 2 6 are 12. 2 25s are 50. So 3 upon 10 and 6 upon 25, they both are not equal. So answer is no. They are not equivalent. C bar 7 upon 13 and 5 upon 11. Clearly we can see that these are prime numbers and they cannot be reduced further. So the answer is 7 upon 13 is not equal to 5 upon 11. So no, they are not equivalent. Question number 7. Reduce the following fractions to lowest form. So students, a fraction is said to be in lowest term if its numerator and denominator has no common factor except 1. It has no common factor except 1. A bar 48 upon 60. You all know tables. Let us solve directly. 48 upon 60. So these both the numbers comes in 12 table. So if you divide 48 by 12 and 60 by 12. So it will be 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60. So the lowest form is 4 upon 5. B bar 150 upon 60. So first step, you can remove the 0 0. 150 upon 60, 0 0 cancel. So 15 upon 6. We all know 3 table. It will be divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. Fraction is 5 upon 2. C bar 84 upon 98. So let us write here 84 upon 98. First let us divide by 7. So 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. So we got 12 upon 14. Again it can be reduced by 2. So divide both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. So the fraction is 6 upon 7. See students, if you are confused, you are not able to solve directly, you can reduce into small small portion. Like first you can also divide this by 2. Then whatever number comes, you can again divide by 2, 3 and so on. So here first I divided by 7. Fraction came 12 upon 14. Again I divided by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. So the lowest term is 6 upon 7. D part 12 upon 52. So write here fraction 12 upon 52. So first I am dividing by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. So again it can be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 13s are 26. Fraction is 3 upon 13. E part 7 upon 28. So 7 table we all know. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. Lowest term is 1 upon 4. So now let us solve question number 8 in 9th stream. Question number 8. Ramesh had 20 pencils. Sheelu had 50 pencils. And Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Sheelu used up 25 pencils. And Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencil. So fraction used by Ramesh, that is equal to, and 10 pencil he used up. So the fraction will be 10 upon, total is 20. So reduce into lowest term, it is 1 upon 2. Then fraction used by Sheelu. Sheelu had 50 pencils and Sheelu used up 25 pencils. So the fraction is 25 upon 50. Reduce into lowest term, 1 upon 2. Then fraction used up by Jamal. Jamal had 80 pencils. Jamal used up 40 pencils. So the fraction is 40 upon 80. Reduce into lowest term, it is 1 upon 2. So yes, all of them used equal fraction of pencils, that is 1 upon 2. As the question was, check if each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencils. So yes, all of them used equal fraction of pencils, that is 1 upon 2. Question number 9. Match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more for each. First part 250 upon 400. So let us reduce this fraction into lowest term. 0 0 cancel. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. So the fraction is 5 upon 8. So students, match this first part with D part. You can write 2 more fractions by your own. Multiply with the same number in the numerator and denominator. Second part 180 upon 200. 0 0 cancel. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. So second part answer is 9 upon 10. So match second part with E part. Third part 660 upon 990. So 0 0 cancel. So let us divide by 11. 11 6 are 66. 11 9s are 99. Now divide by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So match third part with A part, that is 2 upon 3. Fourth part 180 upon 360. 0 0 cancel. 18 1s are 18. 18 2s are 360. So 1 upon 2 is a fraction. Match fourth part with C part. Fifth part 220 upon 550. 0 0 cancel. 11 2s are 22. 11 5s are 55. So fifth part answer is 2 upon 5. Match fifth part with B part, that is 2 upon 5. So students, you have to write 2 more fractions for the same. Multiply with the same number in the numerator and denominator. You have to write 2 more fractions. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have studied ma'am's class. So chapter number 7, exercise 7.3 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now next class will start with exercise 7.4. So stay connected, do like, share, subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.